Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Cool Cotton is probably one of the most refreshing fabric softeners I've ever used. It's like a crisp, cool breeze for your clothes, leaving them feeling incredibly soft and smelling amazing. If you're tired of stiff, scratchy fabrics, then you're in for a treat. This stuff not only makes your clothes feel great, but it also helps to reduce static cling and protect them from fading. Let's dive in and see if this is the right choice for you. Number 5. Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls, 6-pack. These dryer balls have been featured in many well-known media outlets. They are also the winner of the 2019 Best of the Best Product Awards. This makes them a great gift option. These wool dryer balls are designed to last for over 1,000 loads. They replace dryer sheets and liquid fabric softeners, reducing waste. It's a healthy, petroleum-free alternative. Using these wool dryer balls can save you time, money, and energy. For small to medium loads, use 3 balls, and for larger loads, use 5 to 6. These balls contain no chemicals or synthetics. They are perfect for those with sensitive skin and babies. It offers a natural way to soften your clothes. You'll receive a set of 6 original Smart Sheep 100% premium New Zealand wool laundry balls. They are felted in Nepal by women and minorities who are paid a fair wage. The company strives to offer exceptional quality and customer service. What we like. These wool dryer balls are a fantastic eco-friendly choice. They replace dryer sheets and liquid softeners, reducing waste. If you're looking to reduce your environmental impact while softening your laundry, this is a great option. What people say. They worked great in removing wrinkles, most static and most of all dog-cat hair from our clothes. Decreased my dry time by 20 minutes. No static in my clothes. They truly do cut down on drying time and I'm not having any static cling issues. Number 4. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Laundry Oxy Powder. Introducing the Pink Stuff Miracle Laundry Oxy Powder. It's specially formulated to protect and revive the colors of your clothes. This helps your garments maintain their vibrancy. This stain remover uses the power of oxygen to lift and remove stubborn stains. It works deep into the fabric to eliminate discoloration, ensuring your clothes look their best. Designed to be gentle on all types of colored fabrics. From bright reds to deep blues, this product ensures your clothes stay colorful, wash after wash. It's ideal for a wide range of colored clothing, including t-shirts, jeans, and delicate fabrics. You can use it in your washing machine or as a pre-soak treatment. From the makers of the Pink Stuff, a trusted household brand. This Oxy Powder Stain Remover continues the tradition of providing reliable and effective solutions for your laundry needs. What we like. This stain remover protects and revives colors. It effectively removes stains while preserving the original color of your clothes. If you have a lot of colored garments and want to keep them looking vibrant, you should consider this. What people say. It brightens colored clothes and gets rid of hard-to-remove stains. It works well on both whites and colors, and I didn't notice any fabric damage or fading. 1 scoop a little more than a tablespoon along with 1 pod of detergent and my regular softener and bam. My clothes are actually cleaner, odor-free, and I just saved about $60 a month on extra stuff trying to get my clothes and towels odor-free, stains out. Number 3. Downy Ball Automatic Dosing Dispenser, Single Ball. Tired of complicated laundry routines? This little ball simplifies everything. It's designed to make your laundry softer and easier. This is specifically designed for traditional top-loading washing machines, the non-HE ones. It makes sure the fabric softener is dispensed correctly every time. With this, achieving soft and fresh laundry is effortless. It takes the guesswork out of adding fabric softener. This is perfect for your top loader. It ensures your clothes come out feeling their best, without any hassle. Just fill it up and toss it in. It's that simple. It will dispense the perfect amount of softener every time. What we like. This Downy ball makes softness simple. It's designed for use in traditional top-loading washing machines. If you are looking for an easy way to add softness to your laundry routine, this is a great choice. What people say. They make laundry so much easier by taking the guesswork out of when to add fabric softener. It automatically releases the right amount at the perfect time, which saves me from hovering around the machine. Clothes come out soft, fresh, and static-free without the extra hassle. Number 2. Downy Ultra Cool Cotton Fabric Softener. This is Downy Ultra, a fabric softener designed to keep your clothes looking their best. It's the cool cotton scent, leaving a fresh, clean fragrance. Downy helps protect your clothes from stretching, fading, and fuzz. It conditions the fabric, keeping them looking newer for longer. The cool cotton scent is crisp and clean. It gives your clothes a freshly washed scent that lasts. Just one capful of Downy reduces static cling and helps minimize wrinkles. It makes ironing easier. Downy is compatible with high-efficiency washing machines. Simply add it to your wash cycle along with your favorite detergent. What we like. This fabric softener prevents stretching, fading, and fuzz. It leaves a crisp, clean scent and reduces static and wrinkles. If you like the fresh scent of cool cotton and want to protect your clothes, you should consider this. What people say. It leaves my clothes noticeably soft and comfortable to wear, and the fresh scent lasts long after the wash. Every load comes out noticeably softer, and the scent is clean, light, and long-lasting without being overpowering. The scent is clean and refreshing without being overpowering. It lingers on clothes and sheets for days, which I love. Number 1. Downy April Fresh Dryer Sheets, 240 count. Tired of static cling and stiff clothes? These Downy dryer sheets are here to help. They will leave your laundry feeling soft and smelling fresh. Experience the crisp, clean scent of April Fresh. It's like a breath of fresh air for your clothes. This scent will make your laundry smell amazing. These sheets effectively combat static and soften your fabrics. They make clothes feel comfortable and easy to wear. You'll love the difference. Use these sheets with confidence on all your fabrics and in any dryer. Simply toss one in with your clothes, dry, and enjoy the results. It's that easy. For an even fresher laundry experience, pair these dryer sheets with Downy Cool Cotton Liquid Fabric Softener. Together, they create a long-lasting, refreshing clean. Try it today. What we like. These dryer sheets keep your laundry extra soft and static-free. They offer the crisp scent of cool cotton. If you like a fresh, clean scent and want to eliminate static cling, you should consider these. What people say. Cool cotton leaves your clothes smelling so fresh and clean. Even days later. The clothes come out smelling good. They are like an added fabric softener in the dryer. They do help with the static in the dryer. My laundry smells fresh, clean, and the scent lasts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.